Hi everyone! It's me, Nix Pao Channel again. So bago ang lahat, kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe sa aking channel, mag-subscribe ka na at hit mo na rin ang bell button para lagi kang updated sa aking mga new upcoming videos. So guys, for today's video, magluluto ako ng isang beef recipe. It is called Salpicao with mushroom. So hindi ko na to papahabain pa. Let's go and let's start cooking! These are the ingredients for our beef salpicao with mushroom. We have our garlic, nor seasoning, butter, mushroom, of course, our US Angus beef. So guys, let's heat our kawari muna. Okay. So yan, todo fire yan. Pero later on, medyo sa mid fire lang tayo para yung butter natin hindi siya masunog kaagad. Okay, I already changed it to mid-low fire. Okay, let's start cooking. First, our butter. Yan. Let's melt it. So, malapit na siyang ma-melt lahat. Lagay na natin ang ating garlic. Lots of garlic, much better for our salpicao with mushroom. Sautein natin ng konti. Next will be our beef. Bakit beef kaagad? Kasi para hindi masunog yung garlic at the same time yung luto niya, sakto lang. So guys, for me, what I want in my salpicao, I always want it well done. So, it's up to you if you want it medium rare. But for me, I prefer well done. So, yan. Medyo, na siya. Nakukuk na siya ng konti. Let's put our mushroom. Para lang siya, sabay lang siyang mag-mix. Yan. Sautein natin lang ng konti. Okay. After this, let's put our nor seasoning. So, as you can see guys, as simple as this ang recipe ng salpicao. So guys, we can we can put it to high heat na lang para mas mabilis siyang maluto. Kanina, we would do it medium low heat for our butter para hindi siya masunog agad yung ating butter. Hayaan lang natin dyan. So guys, dapat ganito ang magiging texture niya. Umiibabaw yung butter. So, I like it well done. mo. So, ganito ang magiging texture niya. So, we're already done. Guys, natapos na naman tayo sa aking pagluluto for today's video. If you like what I did for today, don't forget to like and share at uulitin ko ang sinabi ko noong umpisa para ikaw ay reminded. Kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, mag-subscribe ka na and at the same time, hit mo na rin ang bell button para lagi kang updated sa aking mga upcoming new videos. You can also drop your comments below and thank you nga pala kay Notch kasi siya ang aking director and at the same time, editor. So, nasa description below ang kanyang channel. Please support him also. Salamat ulit guys sa panonood and I hope you enjoy. So, until next time, bye!